Hi everyone, welcome back to the next diecast. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my Hot Wheels ID collection I have as of now. So in case you don't know, these Hot Wheels ID cars, they go for around like $4 to $7 depending on where you buy it from. A lot of mine came from Amazon, but I got a few from Target here too. And what you can do is they have, on the bottom, they have a little NFC chip. And if you get the Hot Wheels ID app, you can actually scan the chip, and then you can actually race the car virtually on the Hot Wheels ID app. And you can also get, oops, this car's rolling away. You can also get, like a Hot Wheels ID track. And what it'll do is, from what I know, because I don't actually have the track, it'll log the speed of your car, and then on the app, since you scan the car and it'll be on the app will actually keep track of your car's progress and everything like that. And same goes for if you just have the car and not the track, but you have the car also on the app. The app will track how many races you used with the car, or how many races you did with the car, what your top speed has been so far, and everything like that. The Hot Wheels website gives a much better description than I just gave of the Hot Wheels ID app and everything like that. But that's what the Hot Wheels ID cars are. They have the unique chip on the bottom, and then if you scan them in the Hot Wheels ID app, and you can also do an augmented reality feature on it too. So if I had the app open right now, I could project an image of one of these cars on this desk here and make it big, and make it even life-size too in some cases. So there's a lot you can do with the Hot Wheels ID app and with the cars too. Now, a few of these are exclusive to certain places and certain sites, and I'll kind of get to that as I go along with the collection video here. But I also wanted to show off my my Hot Wheels ID chase car that I got from Giant. I'll also be opening that up too in the video. So I'll go ahead and go through all the cars here. I start back here with the classics. So back here I have the Lamborghini Miura 1971 in the Spectre Flame Gold. Looks really, really cool. And then the 1970 Ford Escort from Fast and Furious. Has the really cool bright blue, Spectre Flame Blue with the gold wheels, and then the white striping on the side. Then Roger Dodger, which is an Amazon exclusive. It's got the Hot Wheels like racing decals on it and stuff. And it looks really cool too. On the Hot Wheels ID car's tires, it'll say Hot Wheels, and then like what series the car is from. So this one says HW Race Team. This one says Factory Fresh on it because it's from the Factory Fresh series. So that's another kind of cool little touch that Hot Wheels does with the ID cars. Those extra little details, and that's what counts with these, is the extra details that they put into the models with like the paint and everything like that. And of course the NFC chip. All right, my two GT race cars. Here's the Audi R8 LMS Target exclusive. Like the Spectre Flame Black on that one. Here's another Amazon exclusive car, the Jaguar I-Pace E-Trophy. This is actually bigger than the other cars. I don't know if in real life it's this big compared to, I don't know, like the AMG GT or what, or if it's just big with the model. But I really love this one because of the paint job and stuff on it. It looks super cool. Then I have my Jaguar F-Type Project 7 in the British Racing Green with the striping on it. It actually has good detailing on the back too. The regular mainline version of this doesn't have like the taillights or the Jaguar imprint on there, so that's an extra little detail that Hot Wheels puts on there. Very cool. BMW i8 Roadster. This was actually my first ID car that I got from Target in February. I love the orange on here, it looks awesome. Then we got the Mercedes AMG GT in kind of like a grayish black. And it's got the yellow striping on it too, which looks very cool. And then the Pagani Huayra with the two-tone black and blue with the blue interior there. It even has a Horatio Pagani signature on the back there. Kind of hard to say, and a little Hot Wheels ID stamping on the front there. Then the 1992 Jeep Wrangler from Jurassic Park. This is kind of like a Spectre Flame Silver. This is actually bigger than I thought it would be. On the pictures on Amazon, it looked really small, but It's actually as big as the Jaguar and stuff too, so I thought that was pretty cool. And the whole thing is metal, the whole roll cage and everything, which is very cool to see. We have the 2015 Dodge Charger SRT Hellcat with the police livery. It says Dodge Law, and of course you get the Hot Wheels ID on the side there. HW Metro on the tires, because that's the series that the car is from. So I kind of have a rainbow going on that I wasn't actually intending on, but I think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, now we're going to go ahead and crack open the chase car here. This is the Motosaurus. I actually have the regular mainline version of this that was released, I think, last year. So I'm looking forward to opening this up. Let's go ahead and get it out of the blister. All right, here's this funky looking car out of the blister. This is really cool looking, actually, with all the colors on it and everything. I'll definitely keep this. I probably won't store the car inside of it, but I always like keeping these cards for their artwork on it. And this is my only ID chase car that I have so far, so I'll definitely keep it for that reason. But yeah, I was lucky enough to find this at my local Giant. I was going through a dump bin and I found it completely unexpected, but really, really cool. I actually have a Motosaurus on the ID app. There's a version, it's like silver and orange, I think, and it has the orange wheels on it. But this one, I think I like better because of the colors and everything. It's very cool. And you can't even tell that it's an ID car except the little tiny ID inscription on the side there. It's got regular like Hot Wheels wheels on it and stuff, but there's that NFC chip on the bottom there. So I'll definitely be scanning this into the game and playing it on the app soon. Not usually a big fan of fantasy cars, but I mean, the dinosaur car looks really cool, the Motosaurus. There's actually also a Triceratops car called the Triceratruck. Very cool. But yeah, this is my entire ID collection I have so far. They're coming out with more that I'm definitely interested in, like the Bugatti Chiron and stuff, so I'll probably get those once they're out. But yeah, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite ID car is here, and if you have any of these that I have here. As always, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.